Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Sylvester is already really excited. No? Maybe. Yeah, Sylvester is excited. All of the guinea pigs are currently here waiting. Nugget is here with me at the door because I'm refilling the pea flakes. So they're currently all in this little box, but it doesn't have a lid. So I'm going to put them in this green box. You might know that usually our box is blue, but the guinea pigs have destroyed the blue box, or I ran over it with a vacuum cleaner. One of these two things. So in any case, the blue one is a bit broken. So we bought these in a pack of 3, so the pea flakes are now going to be in the green one, and hopefully these are going to fit. As you can see, I'm already making a bit of a mess on the floor. Nugget! might not have been the most intelligent idea to do it this close to the guinea pig cage. That's what you get for wanting to be always close to your piggies, huh, Nugget? You're a very resourceful little pig, Nugget. Okay, so Nugget apparently can easily reach this and grab it. Wow, Nugget. Now you closed it. Nugget, you're the cutest little munchkin there is. Really, you are. That was totally adorable. And I'm going to reward your bad behavior because it's just super funny. I have to vacuum again, but you're just so adorable and cute. And Nugget is also resourceful when it comes to defending her territory. Okay, well, Lulu's still really angry. You need your own pea flake as well. There you go. There you go, Gatsby. Oh, that's a head. These two, Gatsby and Nugget, they just always bite everyone around them. It's like their thing. Sylvester's just not willing to interact with these youngsters. I know, you never bit when you were younger. Doesn't really matter that there's stuff on the floor because I would have needed to vacuum anyway because of all of the hay that somehow ended up in this box. And that's why you need a box with a lid on. I think I'm going to let the little robot vacuum thingy take care of it. Let's see if that thing can actually do that, because it doesn't always work that well. It mainly runs against furniture and it doesn't clean that well. And it always runs against furniture, and then you kind of at a point take pity on it because it looks really sad when it's constantly just crashing into the sofa. And so you help it clean, which I guess isn't really the point of a robot vacuum cleaner. But yeah, Gatsby's already lying down. Gatsby, I hate to break it to you, but that robot vacuum cleaner is going to eat your pea flake. Zero reaction. Well, we'll see what Nugget is going to think when someone else is eating these pea flakes that are on the floor. The thing is, the guinea pigs are not necessarily the most reliable crumb eaters. They prefer the big pea flakes as well. So if I were to let them out, they would probably eat like the tiny little bigger pieces, but the rest they would just ignore and go for the big box and try to open it. So let's put things away and get the robot rolling. Oh. Already doing what it's supposed to be doing. Alright. Lumi is watching it from really far away. Whoop, it's going for the pea flakes. Nugget, it's eating your pea flakes. Nugget is not happy. Gatsby could not care less, obviously. Okay, Nugget, so final verdict? Nugget was really fascinated with that robot, though I don't think she was that happy that it was eating her pea flakes. You can see that she's now teeth chattering at me. Nugget! Angry Nugget. Okay, I think since everyone was so funny when the thing was cleaning up, though I have to say not really, because like it left a lot of things on the floor, but in any case I think all of the guinea pigs are going to get a pea flake. Quack, quack. There you go, Nugget. Gatsby. Lulu. Lumi. Everyone's really happy. Sylvester? Oh, Sylvester, you got a super tiny one. Here's another one. Lumi's already retreating a little bit because she knows that Gatsby and Nugget tend to nip a little bit. They just did. And Lumi really doesn't like it, so like Lumi always makes sure that as soon as everyone got their pea flake and then one of them is like too close to her, she like immediately retreats because she knows that otherwise one of them is just going to nip her. Right, Lumi? I had to turn around the Heidi again because Gatsby wants to sleep on top of it. Or crawl in it, whatever, but she doesn't really like to do things the normal way. So she always wants the Heidi to be a little bit different. Lulu's rearranging it as well. And has found the perfect position. The guinea pigs always have to rearrange everything, so perfect example is Lulu sleeping on top of the Heidi. Oh, Lulu looks so adorable. Well, since all of the guinea pigs are now eating hay, they have all gotten their pea flake, so I think they reacted well to the robot. But it just didn't really clean that well, so I don't think it's going to be of any use for cleaning the part in front of the guinea pig cage. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you guys next time. Super adorable Lulu.